Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while upgrading to Windows 11. You got an error, no drivers were found. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, I recommend to change the USB port where you have attached your USB drive. Sometimes 2.1 USB drive doesn't work with 3.1, so you need to switch to each USB drive available to fix out the issue. And secondly is you need to boot your system right into your BIOS. And in BIOS menu, you will find the option of SATA mode. Configure SATA as or SATA mode. And from here, you need to select the option AHCI. Make sure you must select the option AHCI. Once AHCI is selected, save the changes by pressing the F10 key and then restart and then reinstall Windows to fix out the issue. If these simple steps doesn't help you resolve the issue, in next step, I recommend you need to download the LAN drivers for your motherboard. Here I have taken an example of MSI motherboard. Here is the official website of the MSI. Right in the laptop lineup, you need to choose the option motherboard and then select the category. Under the product type, select category and select the product model. Click on the option search. You will find the option of right over here drivers. Click on it. Under the drivers, you will find LAN drivers. Click on LAN drivers. Now right over here, you will find Wi-Fi as well as your Ethernet drivers. Download Ethernet drivers by clicking on the download link and save them into your PC. Once these drivers are downloaded, they will be downloaded as a zip file. So you need to paste this particular zip file right into the USB that is going to use to install Windows 11. Once these drivers are installed using the USB, the issue will be completely fixed. And if this also failed, in next method, you need to do a hit and trial method. For example, if you are using Windows Media Creation tool to install Windows 11, you need to take help of Rufus instead of Media Creation tool. Download Rufus, create bootable USB using this tool only and then install Windows. And if you are already using Rufus, then you need to switch to Windows 11 Media Creation tool by scroll down and you need to click on the option Windows 11 Installation Media. Click on the option download now. Once downloaded, this will go ahead and automatically create you a bootable USB right into a USB drive once you attach it with your system. After creating a new bootable USB, try to install Windows again. Although, if this also failed, in last step, I highly recommend do not directly upgrade to Windows 11. First, you need to install Windows 10 into your PC. Once Windows 10 is installed right into your system, you can use Windows 11 Installation Assistant, or else you can use Windows 11 disk image by downloading right over here and launching the setup.exe file to directly upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11. Because directly upgrading to Windows 11 has major known issues that prevent you from upgrading to Windows 11. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue saving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.